Have you been injured in a car accident on 66th Street North? Now, here at St. Petersburg Personal Injury Attorneys McQuaid and Douglas, our office is at 5858 Central Avenue in St. Pete, which is very close to the start of 66th Street. In fact, we're only maybe half a mile away from where Pasadena Avenue becomes 66th Street North. Now again, that's St. Petersburg. 66th Street North is about a approximately 12-mile stretch of road. It's also referenced as State Road 693. And we get a ton of accident cases, whether it be car accidents or pedestrian accidents or even sometimes bicycle accidents, all along 66th Street. So as we head north from where Pasadena Avenue transforms into 66th Street, we get a lot of car accidents at Tyrone and 66th Street. For some reason, that's a big intersection. There's a ton of traffic coming in there by the Tyrone Mall, and for one reason or another, there are just a lot of car accidents. We get a lot of rear-end accidents, in particular, at all those lights. And as you head north along 66th Street, we get some car accident cases, at the intersection of 38th Avenue North, 54th Avenue North, and then we get a lot as you move into Pinellas Park at Park Boulevard in 66th Street. That is another really heavily congested area. There's always a ton of car accidents and pedestrian accidents in that area of Pinellas Park. As you head north, another area that we get a lot of accidents, Ulmerton and 66th Street North. Again, that's just a huge intersection. And what's interesting about that, that's technically Largo once you get that far north. And what I've observed is not only do we get car accidents from rear-end collisions at that intersection, meaning 66th Street and Ulmerton, but also there's a ton of pedestrian traffic crossing in that area. There's an Arby's on one of the corners, and there's a gas station on the northwest corner. And so, for one reason or another, there's a lot of foot traffic, and we get, again, pedestrian cases, people just simply crossing the road, getting hit by cars on a regular basis. So, if you've been involved in a car accident on 66th Street North, the good news is we handle these types of cases all the time. We are familiar with the medical providers that handle these types of cases. If you were injured somewhere south on 66th Street, you may go to Palms of Pasadena Hospital. You may be going to St. Pete General or Bayfront. If it's a little bit farther north, maybe Pinellas Park area, maybe you'll go to Northside Hospital. And then as you get up into Largo, maybe you go to Largo Medical for your emergency medical needs. But it's important to at least get emergency medical attention regardless of the extent of the impact. Then after you get out of the hospital or after you go to urgent care, contact us. What we'll do is we'll set up the claim and we'll put you in touch with medical providers that handle car accident and pedestrian accident cases to, again, help you feel better and then recover compensation on the back end. So if you have any questions about a car accident or a pedestrian accident on 66th Street North, either in St. Petersburg, Pinellas Park, or Largo, please contact us for a free consultation.